obviously this is a very different scene for me, but recently I've been getting a lot of requests to do vlogs, believe it or not. So some of you may know, but I'm actually on break, so the college vlog requests need to wait a little bit because I'm not at school. So I decided that I'd kind of make my next video into a little bit of a vlog. It is snowing, I think, like a very little bit. So I thought that for today's video I could do like drugstore makeup shopping. I really want to try new makeup from the drugstore, but I just thought that this would be like kind of fun video to do because it's a little vloggy, a little not. So at the beginning of this video, it's gonna be kind of vlog style. We're gonna be shopping a little bit. I'm kind of scared to vlog in the store, so we'll see how much footage I get. But you'll just kind of come along with me trying to find new makeup, and then we'll go back to my normal setup and I'll do a little like first impressions of everything that I got. Okay, before I go makeup shopping though, I am going to go get an Açaí bowl. Got that good Açaí bowl. Alright, there are a lot of people in front of me. I'm a little uncomfortable, but I need to eat before I can't talk. I need to eat before I do anything because I'm starving, and it's 11:45 and I haven't eaten anything today. Someone needs to just put me on a friggin' leash. I got into Target and was like, probably shouldn't film just because there was a ton of Target employees in the makeup section. So I was like, you know what, I'll just spare that footage and that embarrassment, and I'll just, you know, just shop. And I just went ham, like through whatever I could find in the cart. And I do this when I go makeup shopping. I kind of black out sometimes, especially when I'm going and I'm like, I'm doing a video. Well, I've never done that before, but like going and like being like, oh, I'm doing a drugstore video, so I just need to get like a full face of drugstore makeup. And then I went there and I just blacked out. I saw the things that I was looking at my phone at you guys' requests, and I saw the things that you guys were requesting, and I was like, okay, I'll pick those up. And then I saw some of my old favorites. I was like, all right, I'll pick those up. Then I saw some things that I didn't really need that were on clearance, so I was like, all right, I'll pick those up. And one thing led to another. $200 later, I had a $100 gift card, so I was acting like I had an unlimited budget, but my budget was $100. Yeah, I'm gonna head home. Well, I'm heading home. I'm gonna see you guys when I get home because I just can't. I need to ponder what I just did. So. To just like sort out my life here. Yeah, let's just not look at that. So I actually didn't get a lot of products like that I needed. I didn't get a single lippy. I don't know why. I also didn't get blush. I'm gonna start off with how I always start off when I do my makeup and do my brows first. So the product that I got is this Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Define. The reason I automatically am a little skeptical about this is it's pretty thick. It's very thick. Well, that took forever to get like a decent brow. Alright, so the concealer I got was the NYX HD Studio Conceal. So I'm going to use this to clean up the brows a little bit because they're a little messy. I'm going to dig into the Makeup Geek palette. I'm going to use the shade Frap, which is this kind of mute brown shade right here. I'm going to kind of make this something in the shade. Next, I'm going to take this shade Crushing, which is this pretty orange, and I'm going to put this shade directly into the crease. I'm going to pick up Coat Float next. I'm going to concentrate this on the outer part of the crease. I'm going to pick up the shade Cherry on top, a purpley shade. I'm going to kind of start by focusing this in the outer corner. That shade was a little bit iffy. I don't really like that shade. That was weird. I'm going to try a different look. That was weird, and it's leaving a lot of like gaps. As you can see one clear right here. I don't know. I'm going to pick up Cherry Cola. And this looks pretty pigmented without spray, so let's try it. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Root Beer because I need to add some sort of definition to this look. Okay, what the fuck? It's doing absolutely nothing. Hannah requested this product. You guys know my roommate Hannah. Yes, Hannah, I see you on my Instagram requesting this. It is the L'Oreal Infallible Lacquer Liner. 24 hours. I got Blackest Black. And I need a pretty good gel liner. I like want to switch to gel liner completely. I'm like sick of like. I actually really like the liner. I just don't like the brush I'm using, and it's my fault because I don't have a good brush. But I'm gonna order one hopefully off of like Sigma or something and try and get like a good brush. It's this. So I bought some cool stuff for the face. One is the True Match Lumi Glotion. So it's not a primer, but it's like a lotion. It's a natural glow enhancer. This is in the shade Fair Glow because the other one looked too like rose gold, and clearly I'm very light right now. So I'm gonna take this and just put this all over my face. I also found another cool thing from L'Oreal, which they only had, this was the lightest shade they had. And this is in the shade Daybreak. It's the Lumi Glow Amore Glow Boosting Drop. I'm going to use these like I use Cover FX drops. I really wanted to try the Super Stay foundation. It's full coverage foundation. I got the shade 110 and 120, Porcelain and Classic Ivory. I'm really bad at picking out my foundation shades because I really honestly think that I really think that Porcelain is not my shade. So I'm gonna mix them together, but I could be wrong. So I'm mixing Classic Ivory and Porcelain. Hello, this foundation shade is too light for me and my camera died. So, it's too light. And I'm just gonna tell you guys what I did while the camera died and I was trying to charge it a little bit. I used the NYX HD Studio Concealer just under my eyes. I used the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder to set that while my camera charged. So there's this other product I wanted to use that I mentioned earlier, I think. It's called the Super Stay Multi-Purpose Foundation Stick, and I got this in the shade Mocha to contour. So I'm gonna put a little bit. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I haven't had this in a while just because I haven't repurchased it, so I'm so happy to have it. And it's in the shade Deep Bronze, so this is going to give me some color, ladies and gentlemen. I forgot to buy a blush, so I'm just going to use Milani Luminoso because that's my favorite drugstore blush. So the part that I'm most excited for are these highlighters. I picked up 2 highlighters from Milani, and I've been looking at these forever. This is number 01 Afterglow, and this one is 02 Dayglow. So I'm going to mix them just because this is a little bit too frosty, and that's definitely too gold to be used on its own with my skin tone right now. God, that looks amazing. I just picked up this Pixi Skin Treats Makeup Fixing Mist. What is this called? Pixi Skin Treats Makeup Fixing Mist with rose water, green tea, makeup setting mist. Well, I need to fix my makeup a little bit. It's very full coverage and I like that, but it also is kind of caked, so I'm gonna use this mist and then I'm gonna get started on the lower lash line. That smells like a grandma. So I'm gonna start off with the Crushing orange color. I'm gonna mix a little bit of Cherry on top, which is the matte burgundy color. I'm gonna mix that in. I'm gonna dip into this blue raspberry shade. I'm gonna pick up Grape Pop. So I'm gonna kind of put this right on the lower lash line. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Telescopic, which is a new mascara I got today on the lower and upper lash. So I told you guys that I didn't get a lippy because I'm stupid, but I'm just gonna use another drugstore lippy that I have. To take this Milani lipstick in the shade Nude Cream number 26. That's a nice nude pink, and I actually really like that with this look. I'm just gonna top it with a little bit of the Rebel and Kiss Plumping lip cream in the shade Nude Honey. And that is the completed makeup look. And that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this style of video. Overall, I thought this video was really fun to kind of take you guys along with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is something that has been very highly requested. A lot of people really want vlogs, and I know you guys want college vlogs. I'm not like a vlogger. but I definitely will incorporate some of my lifestyle into my YouTube channel. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Please subscribe, help a girl out. Hit the little bell button if you want to get notified of when I upload, just because I haven't set an uploading schedule. Also, I'll leave my social medias in the description box down below. I'm going to be more active on my Instagram, and I'm also going to be doing more lives and doing more Insta story stuff, so definitely follow me on there. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!